Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment, that is SIMnet assignment. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 2, independent project 224. So first we click on there. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 2, independent project 224. From here we will download our required file that we call solution file. So after completing our solution file, then we just come here and upload that one. Okay, so let me move to instruction file, independent project 224, central serial insurance set bonus percentage based on commissions earned by each agent and calculates total by branch office. This workbook identifies business policies, display agents' names with their locations. So student learning outcomes, we will cover 2.1 to 2.8 SLOs in today's project. File that we have needed, this one that we have already download from available link, that is called start file link. Then after completing, our file name will be this one. Okay, now we are moving to a skill cover in today's project. What we get in today's project after. So name cell range, build X lookup function, create copy and edit formulas, set mathematical order of operations, use absolute reference in formulas, use sum if function, calculate an average, the mode, the median, build an if function, display label using concept. So all these skills will be covered in today's project. So before going to solve today assignment step by step, let me move to an instruction and check how many questions we have in today assignment. So in today assignment we have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 17. In graded part we have 17 questions, then 18, 19 and 20 are non-graded ones. So we have 17 questions in today project. That name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 2, independent project 224. So now we are moving toward instruction file, steps to complete this project. Mark the steps as checked when you complete. So first we have to open this file that we have, that we call start file, or we call solution file. Okay, that is downloaded. So we have to open first that one. Then click enable editing. After opening, then we have to click on enable editing. Then the file will rename automatically. Yes, you may see our file is automatically renamed. So first what is done, in next part select the table sheet. Now we have to move to a table sheet there and then select A1 to B6. Okay, then create a range name using create from selection button. So we have to create range, click on formulas, create range, then click on OK. So this part is done. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2 we just move to a table sheet and there select the range A1 to B6 and create range name using create from selection button, and we have done. Okay, after solving question number 1 and 2, now we are moving toward question number 3. In question number 3, create X lookup function to display the bonus rate. If X lookup is not available, build the formula V lookup E5 tables, this one, and leave range. Okay, so we have to find first X lookup function. Click commission sheet tab and select F5, commission sheet, and here F5, and here we write X lookup. So yes, we have available X lookup function. Now lookup value, start the X lookup function and use E5 as lookup value. E5, as a lookup value. Then for lookup array arrangement, use commission level range. Okay. So we have to use commission level range. No. So we just copy this one from here and in there. Okay. And then in this part is done. This is also done. Now for return array argument, we have to use bonus rate. So for return array argument, here we have to use bonus range. Then in part E, we have to, for the match mode argument type -1. Here -1, which will find the next SIMnet match. Okay. So question number 3 is done. Now simply press OK. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to use XLOOKUP function. But if we haven't have XLOOKUP function, then we have to build, or we have to use VLOOKUP function, and we have in all these values there. Okay. But in my case, we have XLOOKUP function. So we just move to our commission sheet, and there we just select F5 and in XLOOKUP function there. Then F5 E5 as a lookup value. Then for lookup array argument, we have to use commission level range. Then in part D, for return argument, we have to use bonus rate range. Okay, so in this way we have just put all values in XLOOKUP and we get the result. So question number 3 is done, and we have this result, this one. We may confirm from here also. So we have same result, mean we are just doing exactly 100%. So question number 3 is done. After solving question number 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. Format the result as percent style with 2 decimal. Now we have to format this result with percent style. Open this number format. There we have to apply a percent style with 2 decimal place. That's okay. Then in question number 5, we have to copy the formula in cell F5 to F6 to F14. We have to double click on there, so that will be automatically filled. Okay. So question number 4 and 5 is done. In question number 4, we have to apply a percent style with 2 decimal place. Then in question number 5, we have to copy formula in cell F5 to F6 to F14, and we have done that one and get the result. So after solving question number 5, now we are moving toward question number 6. Set order of operation to calculate the commission and bonus total. So in first part, we have to select G5 there, and there start formula and select G5. The total paid is dollar amount of the commission plus commission times the bonus. So start formula, select E5. So we put equal sign. Then we have to select E5, this one. Then add cell E5 to product of commission amount times bonus rate. Plus then this one with which multiply F5. Then close parenthesis and get the result. Okay. After that, format the result to show 0 decimal place. Okay. Now we have to decrease decimal place to 0.1. Then copy formula G5 to G14. Now we have to double click on this formula, so that will automatically fill. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, there are 5 part, and we have done each and every part step by step. In question number 6, first part we just select G5, and there we use a function, a formula that in start we just put equal sign, then select E5, then add E5 to the product commission rate, and we get this result. Okay, here, this one. After that, then we just fill that formula and we get the result. So question number 6 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 7. Create and copy SIMnet function to calculate total earning by branch office. That was just question number 7 topic. So first we have to select E18. Where is E18? Here we write E18, press enter. Okay, there. So there we use start SIMnet function, full SIMnet function, then range. For range we have to select this one. So we just simply copy this one from here, then paste that here, then comma. Okay, now in criteria, what we have to in? Set criteria argument as a relative reference to cell C18. Where is C18? This one. Then determine the sum range argument and make reference absolute. That is, we have already make them absolute. Then determine the sum range. Okay, then copy formula. Now we have to first in that one, then there is some range also, we have to in some range. So determine sum range argument and make reference absolute. So we have to in this one, make them absolute, then press enter. Okay, this part is done. Now we are forming the cell E18 to E21, E18 to E21 with what? With currency 0 decimal place. Select this one, then from here we have to buy currency with a 0 decimal, then simply press OK. So for question number 7 is done. In question number 7 there are 6 parts, and we have done all parts step by step. In first part, after reading a session we get idea that we have to create SIMnet function. So for that we have to move to our cell E18, and there we just use start the SIMnet function, and there we use this one, okay, as a range argument. For criteria argument we use C18, and for sum argument and make reference absolute, yes, we have done that one and get a result. After that, then we fill the range E18 to E20, then format the cell E18 to E20 as a currency with 0 decimal. We have done that one. So question number 7 is done. After solving question number 7, now we are moving toward question number 8. Total earning in cell E21. Here E21 we have to in total earnings. So for that we have to in equal sign, then write some formula, and we pass all these values there, press enter, so we get the result. So question number 8 is done, in which we have to find total earning in cell E22. Same way we will solve question number 9, in which we have to find average, mode, median in the value cells E22, E23, E24. Then question number 10. So same way we will solve and get the result. Okay. So in today assignment in graded part we have just 17 questions. So out of 17 questions we have done first 9 questions. Mean almost 55% assignment is done from my side in today video. Remember that in today's video we discussed Excel 2021 in practice, chapter 2 independent project 2 to 4. From we just download this start file. After that, then we move to independent project 2 to 4 and we just read. We have just covered this all these SLO in today project. Then what skill we will cover? We just read this one and get idea that we will cover all this skill in today project. Then we move to a graded part, and in graded part we have done question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First 9 question we have done out of 17, mean almost 55% assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that your marks will be 100% whenever I will solve your assignment. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, SIMbook project, SQL project, Power BI project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. Okay. Remember that it's the biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe from the scammer, because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client, but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's the biggest opportunity that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. Our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one and get A grade result, 100% marks in every assignment that I will solve for you. So in today's video we discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 2 independent project 2 to 4. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.